3 minutes to explain the theory of chaos, as my grandma said. Imagine sitting in my grandma's cozy living room, the smell of freshly baked cookies wafting through the air. We're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of chaos theory. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Chaos theory might sound intimidating, but it's just a way of understanding how unpredictable things can be, even in seemingly ordered systems. Picture a swirling storm or a flock of birds in flight. That's chaos in action. To understand chaos theory, we first need to understand the idea of determinism. This is the belief that the present state of the universe completely determines the future. Grandma's cookies are baked to perfection. The recipe and baking time determine the outcome. But chaos theory tells us that determinism isn't always accurate. Think about baking those cookies. Even with the same recipe and oven temperature, sometimes they're a little overdone. Sometimes they're perfect. That's because small changes can have a big impact, a concept known as sensitivity to initial conditions. The idea of sensitivity to initial conditions is often illustrated through the butterfly effect. It's the concept that a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil can cause a tornado in Texas. Tiny changes can lead to drastic results, showing unpredictability in even the most deterministic systems. In the realm of mathematics, this unpredictability is represented by fractals. Fractals are shapes that are infinitely complex, so they're unpredictable, just like chaotic systems. You might have seen fractals in the swirling patterns of a snail's shell or the branching of trees. The real-world applications of chaos theory are vast. It helps meteorologists predict the weather, guides traders in the stock market, and even assists doctors in understanding heart rhythms. An unpredictable world suddenly becomes a little less chaotic. Chaos theory changes the way we understand order and disorder. It tells us that the world is not as predictable as we might think, and that's okay. It's the unpredictability that makes our world dynamic and interesting. So, next time you're watching a swirling storm or biting into a slightly overdone cookie, remember, chaos theory is at play. It's the reason why even the most careful planning can't guarantee perfection, and it's what makes life beautifully unpredictable. In the grand scheme of things, chaos theory is a reminder that life is full of surprises. Whether in the unpredictable patterns of a snowflake or the complex rhythm of a heartbeat, chaos is not just disorder and confusion. It's a fundamental part of this beautiful, complex world we live in. So, as you sit there, enjoying Grandma's cookies and the warmth of her living room, remember that chaos is not something to be feared, but embraced. It's the secret ingredient that adds spice to our lives. The beauty of chaos is in its unpredictability, and it's what makes every moment of our lives unique. And that, my friends, is a 3-minute explanation of chaos theory, straight from Grandma's living room. So, the next time life throws you a curveball, remember it's just chaos theory in action, adding a little extra flavor to the recipe of life.